Hello and welcome to our channel. Renewing your U.S. visitor visa might seem daunting, but it's a process that can be navigated with the right information and preparation. In this video, we'll walk you through every step of renewing either your B1 business or B2 tourism and medical treatment visitor visa. Whether you're planning to explore the state's vast cultural landscapes, attend important business meetings, or seek medical care, understanding the renewal process is key to a hassle-free travel experience. A U.S. visitor visa is a non-immigrant visa intended for temporary stays in the U.S. for specific purposes. There are two main types: the B1 visa for business-related visits and the B2 visa for tourism, leisure, or medical treatment. Each category has its specific requirements and allowable activities. It's essential to know which category your activities fall under, as this affects the documentation and evidence you need to provide. B1 visa. Ideal for those engaging in business activities like attending conferences, consultations, or negotiating contracts. It's not meant for employment in the U.S. B2 visa. Perfect for tourists, people seeking medical treatment, or those participating in social events. It's also used by friends and family coming to visit U.S. residents. The renewal process, steps to follow. 1. Complete the online visa application, Form DS-160. Filling the form. This form is your first step and requires accurate and complete information about your personal details, travel history, and the purpose of your visit. Be thorough and honest in your responses. Photo requirements. Your digital photo must meet specific guidelines. It should be a recent, color photograph with a clear front view of your face against a plain background. 2. Schedule an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate. Choosing a location, select a U.S. embassy or consulate where you feel most prepared to attend the interview. Consider language preferences and proximity. Application fee. The current application fee is $160. This fee is non-refundable. Payment methods vary by location, so check the specific embassy or consulate's guidelines. Confirmation page. This page is crucial for your interview. It contains a barcode with your application details and should be printed and brought to the interview. 3. Prepare the required documents. Essential documents: your current and old passports, previous U.S. visas, and the DS-160 confirmation page are mandatory. Supporting documents. These vary based on your visa type. For B1, you might need business correspondence or conference details. For B2, travel itinerary or medical appointment confirmations are useful. 4. Attend the visa renewal interview. Interview process. Be prepared to discuss your travel plans, purpose of visit, and ties to your home country. The interview is a critical step in assessing your eligibility. Biometrics. Your fingerprints and a photo will be taken during the interview process. This is standard for security purposes. Timing and preparation. When to start. Begin the process well in advance of your planned travel date. Visa processing times can vary significantly, and you don't want to be caught in a time crunch. Check embassy requirements. Each U.S. embassy or consulate might have additional or specific requirements. Regularly check their official website for the most updated information. Conclusion. Embarking on your U.S. visitor visa renewal journey with a well-informed and prepared mindset is key to a successful process. Remember, each step is crucial in ensuring your continued eligibility to visit the United States. Should you need any further assistance or have specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out for guidance. Wishing you a smooth and successful visa renewal experience. Embarking on your U.S. visitor visa renewal journey with a well-informed and prepared mindset is key to a successful process. Remember, each step is crucial in ensuring your continued eligibility to visit the United States. Should you need any further assistance or have specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out for guidance. Wishing you a smooth and successful visa renewal experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Stay updated, stay informed.